Good morning, dear students. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn new lesson, that is lesson number 20, page number 99. So in this lesson we are going to learn about Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe was born in England in the year of 1632. So Robinson Crusoe, he was born in England in the year of 1632. When he was a child, he wanted to become a sailor. So when he was small child, his ambition to become a sailor. Sailor means who is doing job in the ship or boat. The person we call sailor. But his father would not allow him. But Robinson's father, he did not allow him to become a sailor. So Robinson therefore ran away from home. So Robinson, he approached his wishes to his father, but he did not allow him to become a sailor. So he went from the house, he ran away from his house in childhood. So he became a cabin boy and later a sailor. So first he became a cabin boy. Cabin boy means who is doing cleaning and some assistant type of works in the ship. Okay, to that person we are called as a cabin boy, helper. So after that, first he become a cabin boy and later he become a sailor. Okay, first he become a assistant boy, after that he become a sailor. So one day his ship was going to Africa with a load of cargo. So one day his ship, which ship is working, that particular ship, it went to Africa with cargo. Cargo means there are luggage, heavy weight like a two-wheeler, truck, car. So this type of vehicles they were carrying and went to Africa. His ship, which ship he is doing job. So all of a sudden the ship was hit by a big storm. So all of a sudden, so suddenly they did not accept that. Suddenly the ship was hit by a big storm. So suddenly one storm came, it threw the ship somewhere else. Okay, he threw the ship somewhere else, and for 12 days the ship was tossed about by the mighty waves. So when the storm came and hit the boat, 12 days the waves, the waves tossed. So 12 days the big waves, it forced, it comes and it throw the boats too far and somewhere. 12 days it throws continuously, and by the mighty waves the ship began to leak. So that time the ship began to leak, it was going to sink. So it got leakness, damage, and now it going to in the sea, sink. So Robinson with a few men managed to get lifeboat. So they were managing to get a lifeboat again, and they tried to row their little vessel against the tides. So now they were trying to tie the ship with a little rows, but they cannot do it. So the sea was very rough, because the sea was very rough. Rough means it has more waves on the day. So they cannot do anything. They cannot control. They cannot take out their ship from the sea. And suddenly there came a huge wave which threw them into the sea. So that time a huge wave came, which wave it threw their ships and their somewhere else. The huge waves again it came into the sea. All of them tried to swim, but it was useless. So the huge wave came, all of them, Robinson and his friends, they were trying to come out from the sea, but it is useless. Robinson Crusoe was carried by a wave on the beach of an island, but Robinson, the huge wave came, no, it took Robinson to the beach, it throw, okay, the wave throw him to in the beach of Iceland. So Iceland means the place which is located full of water. So Crusoe looked for his companions, but he saw no one. So when he reached the Iceland beach, he was searching his friend. He was looking around to his friends, those who are coming with them, but he could not find anyone in the place. So he thanked God for saving his life. So after that, he thanked to God for saving him, because now he is safe, now he is alive, but he did not know about his friend, where they are. Okay, so he was, by reaching the Iceland beach, he was searching his friends where they are, but he could not find them. So he thought that they were in the sea, maybe they were died. He thought that, and he was thanking to the God for saving him from the huge sea. So he knew that lying on the open beach was dangerous. So he knew that in the beach, if he laying simply, it was dangerous, because if again the waves comes, it took him back into the sea. So now he moved from that place. So he crawled away from the beach and climbed a tree. So he crawled means he is moving slowly from that beach side, and he climbed the tree. He spent the night on the tree. So he climbed the tree and he spent whole night on the tree. He was sitting on the tree only. Whole night he was sitting on the tree. He did not come out. And in the morning, when he got up, he could see his ship lying not far off. So in the morning he got up and he was searching his boat, his ship. He thought that it is not too far. So nearby him only the ship is there. So he decided to swim to the ship and get as many things as possible. So he decided it is nearby him. He could went to the ship and he took the necessary things. He decided to go to the ship. So after that, as soon as possible, he reached the ship and he take out all the necessary things. He swam to the ship. By that time, the sea had become calm. So when he reached that ship, by that time, the sea became quiet. There is no waves. It was quiet. Okay. The sea had become calm. The waves were not high. He collected whatever he thought useful. Okay. So from the ship, he collected whatever he thought that is useful for him. So such a things he collected from the ship. So he collected bread, rice, cheese, wine, gunpowder, sauce, hammers, pistols, clothes, etc. So he collected these things from the ship. He thought these things are useful to him, so he collected those things from the ship. He filled them into 3 boxes. So what are the things as he collected from the ships? He filled those things in the 3 boxes. Then he fitted a raft with pieces of wood held together by ropes. Then he fitted the rats. Rats means he collected wood pieces and he tied with a rope, and he made a small boat for his use. So those boat he kept 3 boxes and it brought to his beach where he was. So with same difficulty he rowed it to the shore. So with the same difficulty he brought that into the shore. So the next day Robinson Crusoe had a look around the island. So the next day Robinson Crusoe had a look around the island. So when he reached his place the next day, he was look around in the island. He went up to a hill and looked in all directions. So he went into up hill. So top of the mountain he went. From there he was looking all around, but he could not find anything else. The land was surrounded by water on all sides. So in Iceland, from all the sides it was surrounded by the water. He realized that he was on a small island with no other human being on it. So later on he realized in this place no one is not human being, because this place is full, surrounding is full of water. So he thought that I am alone in this place. So for the next 13 days, Cross made many trips to the ship. So after that he was roaming here and there. Many trips he had in the Iceland. So many places he went in the ship. So he brought many more useful things from the ship. So he had many trips to that old ship and he brought many useful things from the ship. He needed these things to stay alive, because he needed which things are he brought from the ship he needed for life. So he had to live alone on a lonely island. So now he decided to live in lonely island alone. During the next month, Robinson Crusoe was busy making a house. So next month he has everything, necessary things, but he did not have house. So the next month he started to make his own house. He found a flat piece of land facing the sea. So he needs the flat, that means no up and down. Okay, he needs flat. Okay, so there flat piece of land facing the sea. So the area looked good for making a house. So Robinson had a clear view of the sea from this spot. So he searched a place. Finally he decided which place he is going to make a house. So if he making house there, from his house he could see the sea. So that's why he is making house in that place. Yes, my dear children, this is the first part of lessons. The remaining lessons we will see in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.